You can see that I am trying to compile a UDF for the turbulent velocity profile at the inlet of pipe, and this is the mesh file and this is the case file. So I'm getting the error of no version of Visual Studio compiler found. Okay, although I can use the built-in version of the C compiler, but sometimes it may not work. Okay, and first of all, let me tell you what I have. I have the Windows 11, and secondly, I have the ANSYS 2024 release 2. Okay, so ANSYS 2024 release 2. So I'm just going to the install into the like downloading the software Visual Studio. So simply search here the Visual Studio. Okay, simple. Go to here and then simply click on the download Visual Studio. That's all. Now this will take some time definitely. Okay, so here we have the options. So simply go to the desktop development with C++. Okay, click on the this tick mark, and this will require the around 10.58 GB space on your computer hard disk. Okay, so just make sure that you have the enough space on your hard disk, and then you can install. So click on install, and now this will take some time. Now you can see that the installation is done. Now let's check it on the our UDF. Okay, so I simply click on OK and close. You can see here that I am now going with the compilation of the UDF. So right click here and compile, and after that you will see this panel. So click on the add and click on the UDF. And one more thing is that the UDF should be in the same folder where your Fluent file is there. Okay, so if you are working in the workbench, then make sure that you should go to the workbench subfolder, and inside the subfolder you should go to the folder where again where your ANSYS file is, your Fluent file is residing. Okay, so now click on OK. Now I will not be using the inbuilt compiler because I have already installed the Visual Studio. So simply click on the build from here. You can see now it is saying that the okay. So it means that I have to like restart my computer. Okay, so just a minute. I'm going to restart my computer. Okay, now I am again trying after restart. Here again compiled and add the file, and also you need to delete the old libraries. If you cannot, then you have to like right click here and manage and unload the UDF from there. Okay, and now you can delete the library here, and you have to select the your C file for the profile, for the velocity profile, UDF velocity profile, and now click on the build. Okay, so you can see now that we have the file is now compiled properly. Now you can click on the load. Okay, so it is also done properly. So now you have to go to the boundary conditions and see where you have to apply that boundary condition. You have to select that boundary. So I want to apply on the inlet. So I will double click here, and instead of like providing the constant velocity, I'm going to provide the velocity profile through this UDF. And this UDF, click on apply, close. This UDF is actually is I discussed that earlier. I think this is here. Okay, here is the our file. So you can right click here and open with the like okay, I can open that with the notepad plus plus. Okay, so open from here. Okay, this is a here, this is here. Okay, so there's no need to open that one in the Visual Studio. So this is a UDF for the turbulent velocity profile with the maximum velocity is equal to 1.225 times of the u mean or average velocity. Okay, and we have the profile is 1 minus r upon r whole power 1 by 7. It's a 1/7th law. So now it is successfully compiled the UDF that you can see here. Okay, now you can run your case. Very simple. Okay, so I hope that you learned about that how to compile the UDF, and before that you have to install the Visual Studio. And this is I'm talking about the Windows 11, and that's also same for Windows 10 and ANSYS 2024 release 2 and the Visual Studio which was directly downloaded from the Microsoft website.